From my perspective, this is one of the best RV manufacturers out there. Welcome to HBRV Lifestyle. They call me the Honey Badger because I give it too straight and transparent about the RV business. This is the Outdoors RV Blackstone 270RKS. It is one of the best built travel trailer manufacturers in the industry today. Now, if this is the first time you have seen one of my videos, I do about an 8 to 10 minute walkthrough of the entire travel trailer and talk about it without any special effects, sound effects, or weird editing. So let's get started. First off, it has room for two group of 27 12-volt batteries. Two 5-gallon propane tanks is standard, but you can upgrade it to the 7.5-gallon propane tanks. Power tongue jack. And if we go over to the weight sticker, right by the weight sticker is the auto level system. That's because this is a big travel trailer. It's really big. Anyway, so the GVWR is 11,000 pounds with two 5,200-pound axles on 16-inch tires. I love the front cap. This is a one-piece front cap. I love the diamond plating. Outdoors RV does a really great job building a travel trailer. And if you don't know the story, well, I'll put the website in the description box below because it would take me over half an hour to basically go over the story of Outdoors RV. Okay, now this has the 4 seasons package. So it's 4 seasons certified by Outdoors RV. If you haven't been able to tell yet, it is used. It's a 2017. The price and the website where the travel trailer is located is in the description box below. Booth dinette, television, fireplace, and theater seating. So you have a nice ambiance in the living room. Sorry, I can't hardly speak today. Now this one is equipped with one air conditioner, but it is a 50 amp coach, so you can add a second AC to it. Now here's the thing I really do like. I love the drawer. If you guys have seen other walkthrough videos that I have done, I love the pull-out drawers under the dinette rather than the cabinet. You lose storage with the drawer, but it's easier access storage. That's how I look at it, right? So it's easier to get in and out of the drawer than it is to dig into the cabinet. That's just my opinion. Let me know what you think in the comments section below. Also, if you enjoy walkthrough videos like this, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. It does help us out. I like the kitchen. This is all your main slide, your hot water heater, fresh water tank pump. I like the cabinetry. I like the entire setup. Look how deep that is. That goes really all the way to the corner, so no waste of space in the cabinets. I like the fact they didn't put a shelf across, so you can put taller pots and pans in there. Look at all the prep space in the back for the kitchen. I mean, if you like to cook on the road, look at all that counter space. Love it. Okay, this is what I don't like. That's just because of a personal preference thing. The divided sink. Now, a lot of you have told me over the years you like the divided sink, which is really cool. That's why they have a divided and a one-piece. I'm a one-piece sink guy. I'm a guy that likes to have pozole, chili, tortilla soup. You need big pots and pans for that stuff on the road. Hard to wash that kind of dish inside a divided sink. But there's folks that say this is perfect for them. So don't get discouraged just because I don't particularly like something, right? 3-burner stove. That's a standard thing. Got the bigger oven. But I do like the fact that they put a drawer underneath. So again, more storage and good storage. Not waste of space. I want to look like I have storage. There are brands out there that'll put cabinet doors and it's kind of like a false door. And I'm just not into that. You know, I know the looks and the aesthetics of things are part of the reason why people buy them. People don't necessarily buy quality, they buy beauty a lot of times. And I can understand that. You know, I'm not immune to that as a human being. This isn't the prettiest coach, but it's probably one of the best built travel trailers on the market. Built like a solid tank. 6 cubic foot propane electric refrigerator. Needs to be cleaned. As you can tell, I did not clean this one before I filmed it. Okay, so we've seen the theater seating. Now we go into the bathroom. They put a mirror. Okay, corner shower. Now, what I do like is most manufacturers, the door cuts off here with the linen closet. This is a wider, taller cabinet that can be substituted to hang clothes or a basic closet. So really what you could do is remove these 2 shelves, right? And then put hangables there, or remove one shelf, put hangables and linens here and there. So they give you a lot of opportunities to be flexible about your storage. Pardon me. That's not bad. That's pretty good. I mean, it's hard to make a nice bathroom in a travel trailer. It's really difficult when it's not in the back of the trailer. Full residential queen bed. And look at this big, huge closet in here. Gentlemen, your ladies are going to be taking over this closet. You are going to be living out of a suitcase out of the tow vehicle. But look, surprise, more drawers. Lots of, like, almost as if you're in a studio apartment with a big closet, right? Now, my wife would tell me this is not enough storage. That's a joke. She'll probably kick my butt because she watches these videos. Ooh, I'm getting sweat in my eye. Ugh. So this is really nice. I mean, I like all the windows. Everything about this trailer is functional and very, like, not waste of space feeling. Now, if you want to see another amazing travel trailer similar to this, that's really good quality, in the top right hand corner of this video, you will see that particular video. Until next time, toolkit and sense of humor.